What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy KB coming back at y'all another video. And today we're gonna be doing a little bit of installing on the inside of the car. So I have been in the search for LEDs to like go around my dashboard, which I found some, but I haven't cracked on them yet. But in the meantime, I did go ahead and grab these. So I do have some LED lights. It's like Winds One car atmosphere lamp, some shit like that. But yeah, y'all can see it right here. It seems like a very easy install. They basically just gave me some little pads, little alcohol swabs. It's an app, so nothing crazy at all. It actually hooks up Bluetooth, so I'm gonna have to set that up for sure. But what I'm about to do right now is stretch this joint out, and then I'm gonna wire it, and then I'm gonna have to see, because the only thing that I'm looking at right now is how, I don't know how it's gonna go under my seat and my passenger seat. I don't know how that's gonna work because these tabs are not Velcro. They are for like plastic, metal, whatever. So I'm gonna try and figure out what I can stick this to, if it's actually gonna stick under my seat, because if not, that might be an issue and I might not be able to use these. Or I might have to just find some like what is it called, like Velcro sticky, some type of shit like that. So let me go ahead and stretch these out, and then I'm gonna see. I'm gonna just turn the camera on and just show y'all how it look after I have everything set up. So as you can see, the lights do work. I think these are actually gonna go kind of crazy under my thing, like under the footwell. It's gonna look pretty dope. So they are working. Function check is good. I'm gonna go ahead and see how I'm gonna be able to get the front ones on easy. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get them under my seat, but let's figure that out real quick. All right, man, so we do got these lights installed down here. So you know what I'm saying, you got them, those right there. Got the ones in the back too, so you know what I'm saying, you can see the lights in the back. So it's just something to start off for right now. I am gonna get the whole entire thing done as far as the LED lights. I'm gonna get all of that done. That's definitely on my list of things to do. But in the meantime, we just going with the footlights, just on some cool shit. They definitely gonna look a lot better at night. I actually haven't even messed with the settings yet on the actual tab itself. So I will have to mess with this just to lock in on my lights and just be able to choose what I want to choose. But overall, easy process, super easy. Y'all can see they are tucked, so you can't even see it. It's running under there, and then it just goes over, and then I just tucked it under in this piece right here. So if y'all try to tuck anything, all of this stuff right here is easy to tuck, so you can do all that. So yeah, man, easy process, super easy process. I'll show y'all some little b-roll, whatever, of the car once it actually gets dark, because right now it's not super dark. But like once it really gets dark, I'll show y'all how it looks, and then it's just kind of show y'all what color I go with. So quick little easy video, nothing crazy.
Several days later.
What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Do You Hear Me coming back at y'all another video. Hope y'all having a good day today, man. Now today I am about to install these LEDs. So as y'all know, with the Chargers, any Dodge, to be honest, because Dodge like to be cheap and shit, which we can't really expect to get the quality of German engineering or anything like that. So yeah, basically what is about to happen, I'm about to install these LEDs on my dash. I already got the LEDs installed under like the little foot area, so like where the gas pedal is, the little foot area on the passenger side under my seats. I got that installed. Hopefully this kit does not take too long. I've seen videos on how it was kind of nerve-wracking, especially trying to get it around this like little vent over here, which hopefully is not too bad. But I did see that it was like in this area you got to like loosen it up, and then it's just a tight fit. So hopefully it's not too crazy of a job. I think it should take only like an hour. Hopefully it will only take an hour. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to make this look as good as possible. I don't know if I'm gonna add it into the dash and then bring it down around like the little bring it around like this area too. I don't know if I'm gonna bring it around and just like kind of like loop it around here. I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. I haven't really decided. I also have not decided if I want to bring it around the door to put it on the doors. I do want to do it like that, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that myself. So we are just gonna get started, at least putting them. I gotta feed the wire and all of that stuff through. So I'm gonna show y'all kind of step by step on how I do it, and then yeah, we'll see how far we get. This might be a video that's broken up into multiple days, because if I get annoyed, I'm probably just gonna turn this shit off. But yeah, man, let's see how far we can get with this video. All right, so just to show y'all what comes in the kit, of course you do get a remote, so I will be able to change the LEDs by the remote. Don't need that right now. You do get the power source itself is a USB, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it just pops into here. So once I get all the wiring and all that shit good, I can just pop this in and then pop this in the USB. I can turn the lights on, off, whatever. But yeah, these are the actual lights itself. So I have to put this wire, which is like a fiber wire or something, I have to put it inside of this tubing. And then once it's inside of the tubing, I have to screw the ends into this part right here. All I gotta do is put it in there and then just twist it and just screw it in. That'll lock it, secure it. This kit also came with a towel, which I don't know if I'm actually need that. But this tool is the tool that they were talking about, like you have to try and pry shit open and some more shit. So yeah, we're gonna deal with that. I don't know. We're gonna see how. It shouldn't be that hard around here because I'm literally being able to go straight into this part. So that shouldn't be hard right there, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully it's not a crazy process. All right, so like I told y'all, as far as the first step, you have this wire, which if y'all can see, there's like this small little tube, and then this part is what goes around your entire dashboard. You have to feed this wire through this one, which is gonna go to your light source. So I'm gonna feed this entire thing through this part, that way that part is at least good. And then this goes into these, which give it the light. So just give it the light. I don't know why that just came to my head. I'm face ass. But yeah, man, let me feed this through here. Hopefully this shit isn't hard, but yeah, let me see if I can get this through. All right, man, it's my second day working on these. I ain't get to finish them last night, but yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all exactly where I'm having issues with the wire itself, or with like the plastic that goes over the L wire or whatever it's called, fiber wire. But show y'all the issues I'm having right now. So I put it in the door, so it's running through the door right now, but this shit just don't look good to me, you know what I'm saying? So we might just stick to the dashboard. Now y'all can see, like, even right here, it's like buckled, you know what I'm saying? It just don't look super flush, even like right here. And then maybe it's just because it's like cheap, I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So I don't know if I'm actually gonna keep the door wire or if I'm just gonna do the dash and then maybe just do like the little gear shifter part. But the goal would be to get all of this and then do the door too. But we might just end up doing the dash with this part. The issue I was having with this part is like in these areas right here. So like in these areas, I'm having issues. Just getting the wire to look good. It just looks sloppy, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want it to look sloppy at all. I want it to look good. So hopefully we can get it done the correct way. But I'll show y'all basically right now what I'm about to do is stretch these wires out. Now the wire that I'm planning to use for the front is gonna be the shorter wires. So I have to see which one is shortest, which I believe is like these three. Yeah, these three are the shortest. So basically for these three wires, two are gonna go, I'm gonna put one right here to go to this wire. One's gonna go right here for this wire so you can have double. And then I'm gonna have another one that's running to the one right here. And then those three lights should be running to the doors. That's even if we do the doors, but we'll figure something out. So I'll show y'all the process. All right, y'all. So I did end up finishing with all the lights. I wasn't gonna do the doors, but I decided to go ahead and do it. So they are done as well. And I also had a foot joints done too. For the most part, it really wasn't too bad once I really got started. Y'all see I do have one power source right here, another power source right here. For the door, I had to run it through the seat, run it under the seat, bring it around, and then I just ran it under the panel, and then I connected it over here. The main thing with this part right here, it's good for right now, but I do have to get a zip tie. So I did that for both doors. I'm gonna zip tie it to like the little, you can see it, it's kind of like the little piece in there, but I gotta do that. Then for right here, I did run this one under the panel. Boom, hit it with the little strip. I did use the plastic strip like up to right here. This part right here, y'all can see like it moves because I don't have this inside of the little protecting wire. So this part is just out because it flowed a little bit more with the thing, like with the actual panel itself. So I couldn't really get it. It just looked tacky when I had it. It was like bunched up. So I just cut this piece, ran that through there, just tried to get a little creative with it. So I did that, ran that through, and then I got two lights right there. So that way it's a little bit brighter at nighttime. But just to give y'all a smooth little view of how it'll look at nighttime, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this junk. Definitely goes crazy for sure. And then y'all can see like in the back seat, I also have it under this seat. You can't really see it, but if you're in the back seat, you'll be able to see it for sure. It's like a little subtle hit, nothing crazy. But yeah, man, I did this shit took a little minute. Like realistically, this will probably take you like 3.5 hours. If you don't know exactly what you're doing and you trying to figure shit out, it's gonna take you at least 3.5 hours. Like putting the wire inside of this shit, that alone is a task at hand by itself. So y'all, if y'all want to do this, I can't drop the link right now. I have to verify my thing, but I'm gonna try to comment in the video to let y'all know, or either I'll put it in the video. That way, if y'all want to go get these lights, you just go on Amazon, look up ambient lighting, find the best one. It's a bunch of different kits out there, but I just went ahead and got those. And there is an app. The app does change colors for the foot, and the thing is the same app, so they kind of like synced up. But the one thing with my lights that are on the floor, those are a little bit light, like it's more dull than what these are. So like it's the same color right now, but you can see like that looks pinkish, bluish, and like it just looks different. But nothing too crazy, nothing too much to complain about. But I'm pretty satisfied. The night POVs definitely finna go crazy. Y'all thumbs up this video for me, please. Y'all let me know how y'all want to see the POVs whenever we can get the POVs going back up. Stay tuned for that. But POV, first POV is definitely finna be a night POV. So yeah, man, I'm pretty excited about how it turned out. But again, yeah, man, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1K, so please hit the subscribe button. I'm definitely looking forward to hitting 1K. We are gonna be doing a giveaway when we get to 1K, so yeah, man, y'all keep running that up. Hit that like button if y'all messing with the video. I really couldn't set the camera up to show y'all step by step on how to do this shit because it is me doing it by myself. If I had somebody else helping me, I definitely would have showed y'all exactly how I did it. But it's plenty of videos out there. I just watched on YouTube and then I pretty much did the exact same thing. So yeah, man, hopefully if y'all want to install ambient lighting to give y'all's car like a little bit more upgrade, y'all go ahead, peep the videos on YouTube. But yeah, man, not gonna keep talking. To the next video, I appreciate y'all. Remember, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 1K. Do your Hit Me 392 out.
Man, hit the motherfucking button. Uncle, hit the button. Fuck it you do. You want me to get out, nigga? You want me to hit for you?